This is Kilo, and on the tail end of my quickset video that I just posted on how to remove a quickset deadbolt that doesn't have any visible screws, I threw that back in the scrap bucket and I saw this one in there. And this is another one that I took off another job. This was on an outside gate, and this is a CEL double-sided deadbolt. For those who aren't familiar with CEL, this is their logo right here. So if you ever come across this, and this is a very noticeable design here, you will see that you can see the customer already tried to drill this, and when they drilled, they got to see where the screw was, and they didn't want to go any further and mess up the screw, so they called me out there to replace all their locks. So for those of you who might be trying to attempt this type of attack on this to remove it, it's not like the Schlage. A lot of people come across these, and on Schlages they have these caps that they press in over the screws, and for those sometimes they get pressed in really far and it takes some effort to pry them out. This is different. So all that you need to open this lock is the key. If you don't have the key, all you have to do is pick it. So if they have the key, you just take it and turn it like that. And you now are able to access the screws. Go ahead and back them out and remove this from the door or the gate. And it doesn't matter which way that you turn it or you pick it. So if you only pick it this way and you see that, just continue to keep turning over until you get to that opening. And again, you'll go ahead and find your screws. So I just wanted to show you guys this one, as I found that in my scrap bucket as well. So this video is how to remove a CEL double-sided deadbolt with hidden screws. So hopefully you guys find this one helpful as well. Hopefully you guys are staying safe. Good luck to you guys on your projects and your jobs, and I hope you guys have a nice day.